Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show how to fix the region error and enable the face unlock option in Xiaomi devices. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, if you are a Xiaomi user, you may find this error in your device. So when you go to the settings and go to the additional settings, so when you try to change the region, so it is unable to change. So due to this error, so when you go to the passwords and security, the face unlock option is disabled, and when you go to the themes, so guys, here you can see that the language is in Chinese. So to fix this error, so to fix this region error in your device, Magisk Manager must be installed. So after installing the Magisk Manager, open it and then go to the settings and then enable the super user access. So just tap on apps and ADB. So after enabling the super user access, so guys, here you can see that my device is rooted. So after rooting your device, go to the Play Store and then search for Build Prop Editor. So just install it. So guys, after installing the Build Prop Editor, open it. So it will ask you to grant the root permissions. So just grant the root permissions. So and then go to the edit option and scroll down to the end and then type ro.miui.region REGION equal to, and then type ISO code of your country. So guys, your country ISO code will be available in Chrome. So my country is India, so my country ISO code is IN, and then type ro.miui.cust dash variant variant is equal to en. So guys, after typing this, just save it. So tap on save option and then select save and exit. So guys, after saving this, just reboot your device. So guys, after rebooting your device, go to settings and then go to additional settings. So guys, now here you can see that the region is changed to India. So and then go to passwords and security. So guys, here you can see that the face unlock option is now enabled. So now you can set the face unlock option also. So and then go to themes app. So guys, here you can see that the language is changed to English. So if it is still in Chinese language, so just clear the app data and just relaunch it. So now it will change to language English. So guys, in this way you can fix the region error in Xiaomi devices. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon guys. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.